Alright, what's going on, micro scale garagers, Clone Society? I put the stock carb back on, took the VM22 off, I poured it out, the stock intake manifold, hooked everything up normal. I don't have a clutch cable hooked up right now, that's off. But it's getting up to 40 miles an hour way quicker. Let's go take it for a ride real quick. See if I can use my hand in my clutch. I'm happy with that. I'm real happy with that. I'm real happy with that. That feels way better than what it felt like out of the box. Now I just gotta ride it around, get my insurance, get my doggone title, so I can drive this thing around on the street instead of up and down my street. And I can go and get a, ride it around, get the neutral to actually work, stick in. And I think I just lost some screws. I got it all naked right now. I didn't screw all my screws in. Let's go ahead and get it back in the micro garage. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. I'll see y'all in the next video. It's just a quick little TOA Hellcat. Whoa, I don't know about me riding one-handed in the mud until I get the off-road tires. Oh, stalled it. Alright, you guys. Peace out.